Alright, this is my last one before I go back. The last one. I had to go. I went to Jersey for this. I only was supposed to go to Elizabeth. It's supposed to be like a 1-hour trip. I was on the train for 5 hours on the weekend between the dumbass people that work on the train, absolutely know nothing. Every time you ask them, finding stuff for myself and asking customers. It was the most ridiculous thing ever. However, the dude only wanted 20 bucks for this. I could not say no. I mean, how? So, always wanted a Trek too. I really wanted a 1200 because, you know, again, coming from road bikes. But this is, I believe, like kind of like a gravel deal, which is dope. And this, since I did that last mountain bike, which I must show you, I've been kind of hooked on these fatter tire bikes as commuters. It's amazing. Road bikes are definitely fun. I'm never gonna stop loving. I'm gonna love all bikes for sure, but you know, something new in my life. And then just not worrying about so much about potholes and everything is dope. But back to this bike, it is clean. I don't even know if I don't even know if he used it. I feel like somebody just bought it and left it, to be honest with you. Like there's barely any wear. It just sat. Like all I did was just wipe this off real quick. As you can see, all the stuff I'm sitting. Yeah, I didn't get in there yet. But, yeah, this shit is super, super, super clean. So, what choice do I have, right? So I got a little under a month. I'm gonna try to get this done in a week and put it up for sale. Let somebody ride. If y'all interested, I still got other bikes that I'm working on. I got the mountain bike that is pretty much done. I'm gonna show you that very soon. I also have the purple bike, which is pretty much done, which I can show you very soon. And then this one too, hopefully all within a week. So if you're interested, hit me up.